It is 3rd of April and we are taking a trip to Amritsar. But just like any other family, हम बहुत late हो गए. But still, we took our stops. So the first one was at Red Harbour. यहाँ पे हमने ली पंजाबी थाली and I also tried some parantha, which was a good start. Then we stopped to stretch. We enjoyed the view for a bit. And of course, we had to have chai. And soon we entered Punjab. We didn't need any signage. वहाँ के लोग, वहाँ की vibe, सब indicate कर रहा था that we have officially entered Punjab. Finally, we reached our hotel, grabbed a quick bite, and headed straight for darshan. And it was such a unique experience. गोल्डन टेम्पल रात को 12 बजे विज़िट करो, वो वाइब ही अलग है उस टाइम पे. एंड इट वाज सो पीसफुल. Hello everyone and welcome to Amritsar. Today is officially the day 1 of my trip. And so yeah, tag along. So let's do my makeup really quickly. We have to reach Golden Temple by 1:10. That's why I'm just rushing with my makeup. I just want to keep it very minimal. I don't like to do a lot. I want something simple and yet attractive. So that's what I'll go for even today. Now we're talking food. After getting ready, we went straight to Mono Kulcha Hut to try the authentic Punjabi kulche and chole. We are trying the aloo pyaz kulcha and oh my god, मज़ा ही आ गया. मैंने ऐसे कुलचे दिल्ली में कभी खाए ही नहीं. So after that, we tried their Malai wali lassi and another banger it was. This was a unique experience. You have to come here to understand it, is all I have to say. After this, we went to Durgyana temple. And ended our day by trying Makhan Fish Corner for dinner. Honestly, I expected more, but the fish was good. Hello everyone, and today is day 2. So to give you a quick update about our day today, in the morning I went to the Golden Temple and it was beautiful. Then I had the breakfast buffet at our hotel, and now I'm just getting ready so that we can explore some market, maybe get something. And I also wanted to look at some suits over here. They're really popular, and of course the food as well. Also, it's been raining quite a lot, so I just hope today is a clear sunny day. And I'm also wearing white pants, so I don't want to ruin that. Let's wear our earrings. So I'm going with these. So this is the bracelet that I'm gonna wear, and not this one, this watch. I'm going to create a stack, right? See you next, roaming around the city. And then we headed to Hall Bazaar to explore some shops. We were on a hunt for Fulkari dupattas, so trying to find the right one for us. So since Amritsar is a hub for Fulkari dupattas, हमने बहुत सारे different type के दुपट्टे देखे, and we just couldn't decide which one to get. This was something that was very different, so ultimately we got it. Then we tried looking for juttis, but no luck. Actually, we didn't know the right shops to go. तो जहाँ हम जा रहे थे वहाँ या तो प्राइसेस बहुत ज़्यादा थे या they were not comfortable at all. So we couldn't get one, but I really wanted to. And we were so thirsty that we stopped to drink some lassi. Where are we? कहाँ पे है?
ज्ञान की लस्सी
Next stop, to shop for friends and family. So we went straight to Labhairam, tried their papad and tasted their imli candies. That was nice, so we got it. Also got some other stuff. We tried their chaat, but I was not a fan. Before we left Amritsar, we had to visit Kesar da Dhaba. Paneer, dal makhani and chole and butter naan और तंदूरी रोटी, लच्छा पराठा. Also got their famous firni. I had to do a taste test for you all. This was my first time trying firni, and it was looking tempting, but it was not very good. As you can clearly see, I didn't like it very much. And that was it for Amritsar. We left for Zirakpur. So in Zirakpur, we got to know that there was a zoo, and we didn't know how it was and what all animals were there, but we just wanted to give it a shot because we had some spare time in the morning, so we went. We spotted so many animals. You name it, and that animal was there. We rode in a bus to enter Lion's Den. We were not expecting to see a lion, but then we saw a lioness. And then we saw another one. So that was pretty cool.
कंप्लीट हो जाएगी ना राइड आगे है फिर बर्ड पार्क भी है आगे
अच्छा इसी में ही है और इसमें
Going in a bus made it look so real. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे हम उनके नेचुरल हैबिटेट में जा रहे हैं. Finally, we ended our trip. We were on our way to Delhi. It was definitely a short trip, but हमारे पास 2 दिन थे and I think हमने बहुत कुछ cover कर लिया within 2 days. But still, we need to come back. Until next time, bye-bye and thanks for watching.